What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. Truck update. I'm actually a day behind, man. He been rolling. He been rolling, man. Y'all can see by the thumbnail that he been rolling, but we about to get over here, man. Wait till the evening till it cool off and everything. So we about to head over to Jhall Automotive and see what progress been made on brown coat. And he ain't had the truck a week. He ain't even had the truck a week yet. So that just let y'all know how quick he rolling. So I'm finna hop in the car, man. Gonna take this drive. Then I'm gonna catch y'all over there. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. We checking in. We over here at Jhall, man. Look, them went to work. It was 2 days. I'm just getting y'all late, but it was 2 days. The bed loose. They about to pull the bed out now. The bed all loose, man. So the whole bed about to come off. Man, the fender off, everything, the whole nine. Y'all know y'all can't get no sneak peek yet, but fender off, everything, man. Everything. Front, nose, bumper, everything off. 2 days now. 2 days. Just like that. The bed, I said the bed ready to come off. Man, I told y'all hit the number on the screen right now. Hit the number and said my bro Jarvis said planning on being in the paint booth next week. I'm telling y'all, they're crazy. 2 days, man. 2 days and the whole truck apart. Like, you can't, the whole truck apart, man. Like, I'm talking about going to work. Then all the new bed, y'all saw the new bed, so he gonna prep the new bed and paint the new bed off the truck, cause he gonna paint back here too. He gonna paint all this so it look right and paint everything. So the truck gonna be painted in pieces pretty much. Like I said, well, he gonna put it back together, but the bed gonna be painted separate. Then gonna paint the cab and all that. So yeah, man, shake, rattle, and roll, man. Shake, rattle, and roll. Y'all see it? There go the old stuff right there. No more bent up fender and all that good stuff. Well, emblems some good. No more bent up door. All that stuff, man. I'm talking about took everything apart. So y'all see it. Y'all about to see this bed come off here in a minute. The bed is coming off. But this the update. Like I said, this is where we at. 2 days. This is 2 days. 2 days worth of work. And everything is already took apart. Everything took apart. I told y'all hit the number up. He had told me anyway. He like, we gonna roll, Jay. That's it. And that's what's going on too. But everything else, said everything else was good on this side. So it wasn't no hidden damage or none of that stuff. So that's a good thing. Y'all see the bumper supports and stuff, all that good. Only other thing, that's why the light was pointing to the ground, y'all. And I'll turn the adjustment screw when doing that, it was broke right there. So you can get one of them at the parts store. Then that'll be right. And they're gonna look good cause everything new on it. Bezels, headlight, all that says S10 emblem still look good. The door handles on here, they still good. But this it. This is it right here. I'm telling y'all. Probably come next week, man. Sometime late next week. Y'all probably gonna see this thing sprayed. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all see them holes right there? Man, I ain't noticed it, but like I said, Jhall said gonna get all that out. So man, we about to get the door off now. Get the door off, then like I said, all this. Of course, the door jamb gonna be painted, but I'm talking about even up to here, right here, all of that. It bad boy finna be clean. I'm telling y'all. I seen I saw some of y'all, a lot of y'all in the comments saying y'all gonna hit them up already. Y'all saying firsthand. Like I said, I'm trying to document his progress in real time so y'all can really see how fast he getting down and the quality of work, because sometimes I shoot y'all videos and man, y'all might see them, like I said, 2-3 days later. Like this one right here. This one late. Y'all looking at this on Thursday. Y'all looking at this on Thursday, but he done had the truck took apart Tuesday. So Sunday, Monday, 2 days. Had the truck took apart in 2 days. So and the bed coming out now. So in the other door. So I'm trying to document in real time so y'all can see the turnaround and all that good stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. Got the bed out just that far. The whole bed off. That's what he's saying, like the new bed, all they gonna be painted. All that behind the bed gonna be painted too. See right now, that ain't painted. They're just dirty and dusty. But all they about to be painted. All of that. Oh yeah, if anybody need one for S10, a roll pan, get it. I got a roll pan, cause I got one on my other bed already. So you want a roll pan, shoot me an email. I got a roll pan for sale. So you know. But bed off, man. I'm gonna show y'all the truck. Truck look totally different already. Look at that, just took the bed off. And y'all know I ain't never looked at the exhaust. Well, I looked at the exhaust, but I ain't looked at the muffler. Cause people been asking me, this why that joker so loud. They got them single chambers on there. That's why the bad boy so loud, boy. Man, oh yeah, all this about to be painted. That what Jhall was just telling me. All this about to be painted. Everything. It's a few little dings and stuff in there too. That's what he said, he gonna get all that out. And before, you know, some people don't trip on this too much cause you really can't see it. But man, that's how serious he is about his work. Like, wanna do it right. Cause I ain't even noticed this, man. I ain't noticed none of that. But he said he finna get all this out. It's a few up there. He gonna take the glass out and get all this out right here. So it about to go down. It's about to go down. So yeah, man, the bed is off. Just that fast. Snap the bed off. And we finna roll. Y'all see the suspension. I guess y'all can see the suspension now. See all that good stuff on here. 2 ways. See, you got your compression and rebound. 3 inches. 3-inch exhaust. Truck nice now. Truck nice. Mandrel bends. I see ain't no kinks in them. Factory gas tank. Single chamber. Super 10s. Those ain't called, they black. They're the Super 10s. They're my first time owning some of them now. And then I see it. Look at the frame, man. I told you the truck nice now. Y'all see it? Look at the frame now. Look at it closer. Look at it closer. Y'all see that? Alright. You know what you're looking at, you know. But the truck nice. I ever sell brown coat, it gonna be a ticket. It gonna be a ticket, I'm telling you now. I'm gonna put the disc brakes on here. Monolith system. All that, but this thing here about to be all the way efficient. All the way efficient. Got the I think got the door. The door ready to come out too, ain't it?
Yeah, we'll take it out.
Yeah, the door. That door over there about to come out then. Then ain't gonna be nothing left but a film on here, y'all. That's it. So y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm back, man, from Jhall Automotive. Boy, all I can say, y'all see he rolling. He rolling, man. I'm telling you, it was 2 days. 2 days he had the whole front tore off of it and the door and had the bed loosened up. And let me see. Wednesday, which is today, make the third day he had the truck, and now see the bed. He just had to get some help pull the bed off. That man towed all that down in 3 days, and the other door off too. I just didn't film that part, but he got a whole truck towed apart in 3 days, man. 3 days, man. I'm telling y'all, man. We were talking off camera, man. Brown coat about to be so nasty. I promise y'all, man. I told him it's gonna feel funny coming out looking at the truck, man, and ain't got no wreck side and all that. And man, y'all can see exactly how clean that truck is. Like, but I'm putting my touch on to it now. I'm putting my touch on. But y'all see, man, I ain't even know till he took the bed out, but the frame and everything been done. Y'all see the frame, everything. It's just like Rhythm and Blues, but an S10 and more beefed up. So I'm telling y'all, man, we finna have a nice piece, a super nice piece to match Rhythm and Blues, man. We finna have a real nice piece. Jhall Automotive about to put that thing on it, man, I'm telling you. So then after that, all I'm gonna have is 3 left to paint. Meech, Dolo, and then John Jones. John Jones already decent though. John Jones ain't already decent, man. Dolo needs some paint. Meech needs some paint. The boxes need the paint work. So Dolo gonna be going in the boot next. Dolo going in the boot next, man. Gonna get that wet on it. I already got me a color decided. That thing gonna be nasty. And Meech, y'all already know Meech gonna always stay the same color he is. That's a pearl paint. It's a lime gold pearl. That's what Meech gonna always have. But yeah, man. Hey, shout out to Jarvis, man. Jhall Automotive. I told y'all he shake, rattle, and roll. The man told me 2 weeks. And I believe 2 weeks, I'm telling you, he ahead of schedule. Like 3 days, he got the truck broke down. And he was saying he about to start, cause the bed. If you saw the other video, then you saw that the bed is it's a little spot in the bed and a little spot in the door. He about to get that squared away like ASAP Rocky. Oh, that make me think I'm about to put new door handles on it, new locks, all that, cause them the only pieces that I didn't buy new. Everything else on the truck brand spanking new. So we were talking, like, man, might as well get that. So we're gonna have new everything on the outside of the truck, just like I did wifey car. So we about to be clean, boy. We about to be clean. About to be clean. Then sooner we get finished, the truck going to get that nitrous on it, going to get that bottle, and we're gonna be in there. We're gonna be in there. So let me think. I'm trying to think what I got coming for y'all. Oh, we hitting the track. We hitting the track tomorrow. We got track tomorrow. So we taking John Jones. I got the tire in. It's in right here beside me. So the radio came in today. I went ahead and bought a new one, cause some of my people, and I was thinking myself in the back of my head, they were like, "Don't patch it, man. Don't patch nothing you racing on." And I believe in that too, man. Just you hate, cause the tires had a lot of life left in them, like a whole lot of life. Y'all know I probably got 10, 11 passes on them. But I had to buy a new tire, man. I gotta buy a new tire. So when the passenger side tire wear down, then I'm just gonna buy a whole set. Even though the wear gonna be uneven, I'm just buy a new set. So I got a new tire, $300. Yeah, what it is, man. So I'm gonna take it tomorrow. I'm gonna take the wheel off John John, leave it on jack stand, then I'm go get the tire switched over, get the new one put on, come put it back on the car. We'll be ready, man. Load the trailer up, and we'll be ready to go to the track. So taking John John to the track tomorrow. Gonna see what it do. I'm gonna get a time this time, and they're gonna be it. So I'm finna get up out the garage, car, boy, it's hot. It is humid. It's humid out here, so man, that's it. That's the update on brown coat. Y'all see, man, we shake, rattle, and roll. And like I said, man, Jhall said, hey, come Monday and Tuesday, that thing gonna be in the booth. I believe him. I believe him, man. So I'm telling y'all, probably, let me see, this time next week or next Friday sometime, y'all might be seeing that truck with that wet on it, already painted. Record-breaking time. So I'm telling y'all, man, I hit Jhall up. He gonna get you right, man. He gonna get you right. Good work. Like he's somewhat of a perfectionist, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing, cause you don't want nobody skimming over your truck, had doing the work. And like I said, man, so you hit him up, I'm gonna tell you this. He ain't gonna be just accepting everything at one point in time, but it's just so he can get your stuff out in a timely manner. You gotta respect that. But he knocking them out quick by running like that. Like mine, like I said, you ain't got nothing in front, you ain't got nothing behind. It ain't like I'm jumping in front of nobody. It just boom, let me knock this out, then we're gonna get in the next one. But you keeping stuff in a timely manner, man. Like I said, give you receipt, everything, all that whole nine. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. We hitting the track tomorrow, BCG.